Thank you for choosing the Ranger DST30P wheel balancer. In this overview video, we will show you the proper method of unboxing your new balancer. The first step is to remove the crate from the pallet. To do this, use a pry bar or flathead screwdriver to bend the metal tabs along the bottom of the crate to a straight position. Once all tabs are straightened, the crate can be lifted over the balancer and moved out of the way. Next, carefully remove the plastic wrap securing the accessories to the balancer and lay out the parts where easily accessible for setup. The third step is to remove all bolts, securing the machine to the pallet. Now, with the help of a second person, remove the parts box from under the balancer by tilting the machine back, allowing access to the box. With the parts box removed, you can take the balancer off of the pallet by lifting as a team and carefully setting the balancer on the ground. Once complete, the pallet can be moved out of the way to free up workspace. Congratulations! You're now ready to set up your new wheel balancer. Refer to your owner's manual for complete instructions. If you do not have your manual handy, a PDF version can be downloaded from www.BendPak.com. For your convenience, a setup overview video is also available. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.